Hey everyone, Casey with Barnett Schoolhouse. I am in Canva today. So I was going to show you the basics of Canva and how I use that to create the cover pages I've made for these videos. I also use it for Pinterest. Don't use it so much for my cover pages for TPT, but you can. I really love PowerPoint for my cover pages, so that's what I've always stuck with. So you can look right here and see the different let's click on one of these. You can see the different templates I have here. These are the cover pages this is the template I use for the cover pages for my video series. And all I do is I actually found this template over here, and I'll show you how to build one from scratch. I meant to say, when you create an account here, you can actually get a free one, being an educator. So I use this for school, for my children at school as well. When I create different things, sometimes I use it to make fun sheets for them. Mainly use it for this, but you can get a free account if you sign up and request it. And you have, I believe this was one I had to show proof that I was an educator. So it's pretty cool because you can get all access with it. So pretty neat. So all I do once I find the template that I want, I go in and change the wording. So in this case, excuse me, I need one that says finances. Finances. Okay. Let's do finances. All right, we'll leave it at finances. How to. And then so once I do that, I'm going to go down to up to share, download. I'm going to make it a little larger. Download it. It's going to come, once it gets done, it'll come down here. So I've got that down here. You can see this bad boy right here. And let me move this out of the way. I'm going to go over here to my school. I'm actually showing you how I put this on here. When I create a video, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go to edit. I could teach you how to use Thinkific too. Select my file. Finances how to. I should have renamed that when I was in Canva. Didn't. Uploading. There she is. So once I go back to this, it'll show up here. This is a course I just added to my bigger part of this is my Teacher Pay Teacher School courses. Like I'm building it as I build the rest of these, so it's pretty cool. So you can see how I did that in Canva and stuck it right in there. So if I want to, let's do a brand new one. All right, so this is a brand new template. All I did was I was at the home page and I clicked on YouTube templates, I think it was. So you can take this girl and move her around. You can put yourself in there. And where I already had that typed in, here's the cool thing. You can actually click one and it'll change the font to what you already have typed in. So I really love that. Same thing here. You can move things around. Barnett Schoolhouse. Let's do this one. Pretty cool. So obviously some of them don't fit and you have to move it around and things like this one. See, just move it over, move the different things over, and you got some pretty cool templates. Canva is just really amazing. It's unlimited designs. I'm going to discard these. It's just fantastic. So I spend most of my time here in templates. You can see that. You got features here. This is where you find your free photos. So I spend some time in those as well. So it's pretty cool. You've got icons. You've got some apps. You could do, let's do social media. This will give you templates for social media, Instagram story templates. Let's do, I wonder if there's a Pinterest one handy here. There's Facebook templates. I mean, these are just awesome. WhatsApp templates. Let's look at one of these Instagram templates here. This is the size that you'll need for an Instagram template. So it's pretty cool. And then it gives you suggestions for other Instagram templates. I mean, look at this. This is fantastic. Here's another one. I mean, this is just like a little quote. Pretty cool. I really love Canva. I haven't explored it too much, but I do use it to create my YouTube covers for my videos, and I used to use it more for Pinterest covers. It has a Pinterest section. I wish it would pop up over here. Let's see. I'm in Instagram, aren't I? Let's do social media again. Excuse me. So I'm going to type Pinterest. And you can kind of see let's see, 10,900 Pinterest templates. Like, here's a template. You click it, 5 things you could do in the morning to make you productive. You can use whatever you want. I mean, look at this. These are amazing. Like, I just think these are so fantastic. Right here. This is beautiful. How to start a blog. I mean, yes, we're adding it as a new page just for now. And it's got these cute things. It's got some, people. It even has like these. You could use these. No one's going to know that's not your hand. I mean, come on. So Canva's pretty cool. Love it. Yes, I don't know. I could show you for days how to use this or all these different templates. Like, it's just amazing to me. 10 ways to work online from home. I mean, don't you see these all over Pinterest all the time? You just change your font, make it for you. There you go. When I get done with my ginormous video series, I'm going to create one of these. I'm going to say let me write on you, how to become a successful TPT, I'm just making this up, seller. And passive income is your thing. And I probably will leave the image. Pretty cool stuff. Like, even this girl's cool. Ooh. So, yes, Canva is pretty neat. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. I mean, just the sky's the limit here. I mean, look at this. I mean, I may even use like a computer setup for that. How to become an avid seller of teacher resources or things like that. Like, so exciting. Can't wait. So excited. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon.